This is the HOMEJOY electric wine opener set. Let's take it out of the box. So I've already taken it out of the box and set it up. So I just want to show you everything that you get here. First of all, of course, you get the user manual right here. And this entire thing has its own base, which is a charging base. There's a cable here. It goes to an AC adapter, which is right over here. Okay, so that just plugs in like that. And you may have noticed the lights in the base there, when these are put in the base, they charge. And what we have here is a corkscrew remover or wine bottle opener, a wine preserver, an aerator spout with a plug or cap in it, and two vacuum wine bottle stoppers with a date on them. So if you look up close here, you can see that there are numbers around there, and you can turn that to where the arrow is, and that way you know when you seal the bottle of wine. It all packs up right there. The opener itself, when you operate it, it has lights in it, and again it lights up when you put it on the base. The base has the lights in it for that, and the vacuum wine bottle preserver operates like that when you run it, and that also has a light in the base like that. So let's go ahead and open a bottle of wine. Before we do that, I just want to tell you a little bit about it. Kind of hidden from view back here is a foil cutter. So we'll be using that in very short order. Now the wine bottle opener should be able to open about 50 bottles of wine before needing a recharge, but typically you're probably going to leave it on the base like that to charge up all the time so it looks nice, and it can open a wine bottle in under 10 seconds. So now let's go ahead and open a bottle of wine. So the first thing we're going to do is take the foil cutter, and you put the metal side down over the top of the bottle and just turn it. Just like that. And the top comes right off. So real nice like that. We can go ahead and put that back in the base there. And now we're going to take the opener and we place it atop the bottle just like that. And now we press the down button and hold the wine bottle. And just keep holding the down button. Just like that. Then you press the up button and it extracts the cork. Simple like that. The opener goes back on the base. Now we take the aerator, sticks in there real nice, and put that in the wine bottle itself. Like I said, that has a plug in it, as you see right there. So we'll put that aside for a minute. And now we can take our wine, and it decants and aerates the wine just like that. So that all works nice. We can pull that out, the pourer, put the cap back in it, and place that back in there. And we'll set the wine aside for a little bit later. Now we can seal up the wine. So you can put that in there like that. And of course, like I said, you can turn that for the appropriate date. And we take the preserver, place that on top, and press and hold the button. And that's it. Now the wine is preserved for later on. That goes back in the base there. You have your date on that, and you're all set with your wine. And now, of course, we get to the most important step, enjoying your wine. Salud, l'chaim, gesundheit, whatever you'd like to say. So the set did great. It lived up to all of the claims. It opened the bottle of wine certainly in well under 10 seconds. And I really like the pourer spout. Of course, the foil cutter worked absolutely flawlessly to take the foil off the top. The vacuum sealer worked well as well, right there, as did the pourer. So everything is all nice there, and you can have this set atop your bar or butler pantry or what have you, wherever you keep your wine cellar, you know, depending all. And this way you can always open a bottle of wine whenever the need arises. So once again, this was the HOMEJOY electric wine opener set. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.